Welcome back to Suchi's stream. Today I'm going to give a demo and review of Philips Power Pro FC9352-01 compact bagless vacuum cleaner, which is in blue color. It is ranked number 1 in canister vacuum cleaner with Amazon rating of 4.4 out of 5. In this pandemic situation, it is one of the must-have gadget to keep your house and vehicle clean from dust and germs. In this video, we'll cover mainly three aspects: unboxing, demo, and 11 reasons to buy this vacuum cleaner. And third is to reason not to buy this vacuum cleaner. I'm thankful to all of you for watching my all videos so far. I have a small request. Please take 5 seconds time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far. Also, don't forget to like and comment. Let's start with unboxing. The vacuum cleaner comes in this nice box. It has this main body, a pipe with soft brush, one regular brush, one turbo brush, one extender made of metal, and this is the nozzle for deep cleaning. Now let's quickly start the demo while talking about 11 reasons to buy this vacuum cleaner. Number 1. Suction power with powerful motor. Most of the vacuum cleaners have motor power of 1000 watt, which provides up to 200 watt suction power. But this vacuum cleaner comes with double power, that is 1900 watt motor with 370 watt suction power. It means that it generates strong suction power for faster deep cleaning result. You can definitely save 30 to 40% of time compared to other vacuum cleaners. Second is power cyclone mode. Exclusive power cyclone 5 technology separates out air from dust in cyclone chamber to separate out dust. Powerful swirling action maximizes airflow and performance for remarkable cleaning results. Bagless vacuum cleaner. Generally, bagless vacuum cleaners are considered more hygienic and less expensive to maintain because you don't need to buy cleaner dust bag every month. So it saves money. You can wipe off the dust from the dustbin very easily with water also. Turbo brush for deep cleaning. Another USP of this product is turbo brush nozzle, which allows deep cleaning of carpets, easily removing hairs and fluffs. The rotating brush inside the nozzle actively removes small dust particle and pet hair, resulting in a better cleaning performance. You can see hair has get collected here. And attachment, it comes with 4 different attachments which is customized for different needs like sweeping floor, carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, glass windows, spider web, wall cleaning. And we can also use it for cleaning our vehicles like two-wheeler or four-wheeler. We can also remove cockroaches from all hidden places without killing them. Next is the allergy filter EPA10. The fully sealed filtration system captures more than 99.9% of fine dust particles, including pollen, pet hairs, and dust mites for allergy sufferers and anyone demanding a high level of hygiene. One thing you have to notice, you should not clean this with water. Next is build quality. I compared its build quality with other vacuum cleaner and found it best. The plastic and metal quality is quite good. Next is long 5-meter wire for easy reachability. It's always good to have long wire to reach all the corners of the house. So you can see how long it is. A single click you can unwind the wire very easily. It's large wheels. It's very convenient to move the vacuum cleaner with minimum effort while cleaning. Next is lightweight. It's 4.5 kg weight, so you can easily lift with one hand. Next, talking about warranty, it has 2 years of warranty from Philips brand, so not much to worry. Now let's talk about 3 reasons not to buy this top ranked vacuum cleaner. Number 1, high motor power, which comes at the cost of motor noise, that is up to 82 decibel. More than 80 decibel noise, it is not recommended for human ears for long duration. And if you have small baby at home, I would suggest not to use in front of them as it could affect the ears. Also for adults, I would recommend to use earplugs or cotton as it can cause headache after long usage. This is one of the reason I don't use it very frequently. Number 2 is price, that is 7.5k, which is higher compared to other vacuum cleaners which are easily available in rupees 4 to 5,000. However, considering unique features demoed earlier, the higher price is justified. Number 3 is require manual effort and time. It requires some manual effort to clean, so you might not be able to use on daily basis, but may be good to clean on weekly basis. If you need vacuum cleaner for daily floor cleaning, I would highly recommend robot vacuum cleaner, where you don't need to spend any manual time, on which I have made a video. So please check this video link at the end of the screen, and I'll also provide the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please let me know your opinion about this vacuum cleaner, and please don't forget to like and comment.